Hey, it's Ajal here, and in this video I'm going to show you how ChromEngage works. Now what basically ChromEngage is doing is that it basically has two scenarios. So for the first scenario is that ChromEngage can be used as a traffic generation system, and the second scenario is that it can be used as a lead generation system, or it can be used as a two-in-one system as well. Okay, so let me just first show you how we can generate leads and traffic via ChromEngage, right? So what ChromEngage basically does is that it converts your website into a Chrome extension. Now I'm not going to be taking a whole lot of your time by creating this from scratch, so I'm just going to show you one of our extensions that we already have. So Wildfire Concepts is basically Cindy's website, and I just created this extension last night, and so as you can see, it is pretty basic. You just enter the campaign name, then the extension name, then a short name for the Chrome store, and the description, and you define a version number. So I'm gonna basically change this to 2.0 from 1.0 so that I can add this as an updated version of the old Chrome extension that we have there. Then we put the link of our website that we want to redirect the extension to whenever it is clicked, right? And a couple of icons, and then we have to grab this server key from Firebase. Now Firebase is basically a Google's project, and it is free for everyone to use. So your user will have to sign up on Firebase and then grab the legacy server key and sender ID so that they could send push notification, and they can also define if they would like to auto close the notifications that they send after 5 seconds, or they would like to leave that on the receiver if he would like to whenever he'd like to close the the notification. So with that, I'm gonna hit the update button. Right, so the campaign has been updated. Now I'm basically going to edit the opt-in form that we can show after our extension is activated. So basically we basically integrate with Aweber, GetResponse, and MailChimp, and users can also add their own HTML, right? So when they use one of our integrated services, we allow them to create a fully customizable page, and if they use a custom HTML, then they can customize their opt-in form in their autoresponder service. I'm gonna just leave this as is and hit the save button, and then close this, and I'm going to activate the push notifications. Now I'm going to download the latest version, and now let's head to the Chrome Web Store. So we already have the Wildfire Concepts extension, which was created I guess about 10-12 hours ago, and as you can see, this is how it looks. So we are currently running version 1.0 of as you can see right here. So I'm basically going to edit and add an updated package just for this demonstration. So so that I can show you how basically this all works without consuming a whole lot of your time. So now I'm going to upload this, and I'm basically showing you how the users would be able to add this extensions on their Chrome store, right? So basically they can then add descriptions and icons and screenshots and all that. Now these are actually very necessary, because the more you have these, the better chances of getting a whole lot of users you have. And then, you know, I also added some promotional tiles for this extension just to make sure that it looks good. And then we have a couple of settings that don't even really matter, so I'm gonna skip through, and then I'm gonna hit the publish changes button. Now it basically will take a little while for the extension to, you know, upgrade from 1.0 to 2.0. Now in a time that, you know, this is uploading, I'm going to show you a real cool thing, right? When I search Google for wildfire concepts, as you can see, the extension is indexed on the first page of Google, literally. And as I told you, I created this extension about 11 hours ago, right? 10-11 hours ago. So yeah, here it is. So I'm gonna pause this video right here and give it a little while to, you know, propagate to version 2.0, and then I'm gonna start back from the developer dashboard. Right, so now as you can see, it has propagated, and then now it says that it is version 2.0. So now I'm basically going to install the extension and show you how it works, right? So let me just go ahead and add the extension to my Google Chrome browser. Right, so it has been added, as you can see. And here comes the opt-in form in a new window. So basically, if you would have used any of our integrated services, it, you know, would have displayed in a custom manner, but since we used HTML, it is you know, showing us the HTML form. So then you know, once someone activates your extension, he's shown this opt-in form, and if they wish, they can subscribe with their email address. So now basically I'm going to show you how you can send notifications. See, now via these push notifications, you can keep bringing the you know, the people who install your Chrome extensions back to your website. Not just that, you can also promote ChromEngage made extension on your website, right? So we have this WordPress plugin. If you own a WordPress website, you can basically simply just paste the widget code that we provide you. Let me just show you. So this is the widget. You can customize the, you know, the styling and the messages if you know, the user who's coming is a Chrome user, and the message if the user who's visiting your website is a non-Chrome user. Then you can put the, you know, your Chrome store URL. You can define the position of and all that. And once you edit it, you hit the save button, and it generates the script code. You copy this and paste it on your website. So we basically have our own WordPress plugin that users can use if they have a WordPress website, and this will basically display the widget on the website, like right here. And whenever someone clicks on this widget, they are basically redirected to your extension in the Chrome store, and then they can, you know, install the extension from here. Then they see the opt-in form, and they automatically get subscribed to your notifications. So this is the, you know, traffic and lead generation method. Now I'm basically going to show you how one of our SaaS that we are giving away for free, and you know, it is actually bringing us a whole lot of new users. So as you can see, design, it currently has 247 users, and this was formerly named as Easy Design Suite. So even if, let me just do a Google search with that name, and you'll see that this ranks literally on the first page. Where is it? Okay, here it is, right? So this has already bring us, as you can see, 250 users that have already opted in to receive our notifications. And a little while ago I also sent them a couple of notifications for when I was promoting a particular product, and we went on to actually make some sales as well. So this can be utilized in a whole lot of different ways. So literally the sky is the limit with ChromEngage. So that's pretty much it. I hope that you like how ChromEngage works, and if you have any questions, just hit any one of us up, and we'll get you sorted. Thanks.